Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of drilling hole in your walls? Introducing our easy and stylish solution, transparent waterproof adhesive wall hooks. These adhesive hanging sticker wall hooks are perfect for your kitchen. They are not only durable but also reuse and waterproof. With this sticker on hooks, you can hang all kinds of items without the need for drilling. They are made of high quality plastic, ensuring that they will securely hold your belongings. These wall hooks are transparent, which means they blend seamlessly into any wall color and decor. No more unsightly hooks running the aesthetics of your kitchen. And the best part, they are easy to install and remove. Simply peel off the protective cover and stick them onto any smooth surface. No tools or professional help required, whether it's kitchen utensils, oven mites or tall. These adhesive wall hooks have got you covered. Their strong adhesive backing ensures that your item stays securely in place, and when it's time to remove them, just peel them off gently without leaving any marks or recite on your walls. Say goodbye to traditional hooks that require drilling and say hello to our adhesive hanging sticker wall hooks. They provide a hassle-free hanging solution that is both practical and stylish. So why wait? Upgrade your kitchen today with our transparent waterproof adhesive wall hooks. They combine convenience, functionality, and style in one. Transform your kitchen into an organized and clutter-free space. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoy it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more innovative solutions to everyday problems. Easy and stylish solution for hanging without drilling. Transparent waterproof adhesive wall hooks. And guys, if you want to purchase this product, the initial link is in description box. You can check it out. Till then, bye, take care.